Hey, hold up, man. I got something to say, man. Wait. What y'all out here for, man? What you here for, huh? Does your life matter? Does your life matter?
Nano babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? Ako po'y Louis Season.
Marco Nananing, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon nga doon ngayon guys, may invite kami kay Meto nga gym kay San Fernando, Pampanga. Apin po ining pound for pound.
Yes!
So I'm sure, at dadalanan niya ini. So ngayon po nga doon ngayon, ipakit ni po kaya kayo nung nanolaretang services na kayo ni. Ang po nung interested kayong, lalo na pa yung banuan eh.
Yeah.
Bala mo, body goals,
And
diet goals, ayan.
lost weight goals.
Wow.
Ito.
So kabayan nyo kami po, pakit nila kaya kayo reta.
So tara, let's go!
Pack your bags, girl, let's get out of Dodge. Sick of living life, sick of counting scars. We the ones who go to war against the gods. We the shadows that move around in the dark. Take your...
Po si Ivan Yutok, isa po sa mga trainers sa Pound for Pound Dolores. We offer basketball training, strengthening and conditioning training, gain weight training, lose weight training, boxing and Muay Thai. And we have also the heavy equipments. We are open 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Sundays. We are located here in MacArthur Dolores Highway in front of Maligaya Village.
With kabalin, syempre dapat subukan namin na yung exercise na.
So ako ngayon, isubukan ko mag-boxing tsaka Muay Thai. So tara!
Tara!
Take control. We gotta take control. Hands up, let's take control. Get on your feet, let's take control. Fight for what you know. Get on your feet, let's take control.
This is the new wave. We on balls that drop out of school wave. Don't be a fool wave. Stop being a slave for minimum crew wage. Graduate and try your luck. Couple thousand for them books. What you got, a desk job or a sex job? Boy, you still getting fucked. Quit it now, break the pillars down. I don't fall in love, I just hit it now. She said, why is that? I just gave it fast. Gave my heart up once and I ain't get it back. Turn into a savage, happy with the madness. Sick of living broke, trying to find a balance. Moving through the pain, but they steady fouling. Bearing all my fruits, feed them my appetite. Take it fast, you can take it slow. We don't take no breaks, we just take control.
Let's take control.
So other facilities kayo, syempre available lang mo naman din comfort room pong shower room. Lalong-lalo na karetang, syempre ating pampuntalan o kaya potang bayo lang muli, freshen up.
Tsaka pwede ka rin, mag-gym ka before ka mag-work. Pwede rin mag-shower na ka kayo, tapos diretso na ka mag-opera.
Wapin.
So tara, shower na pa!